We'll evacuate tomorrow if needed. Secure the rig!
The wind is too strong, I can't hold it!
Get inside, quickly!
All hands to muster stations. Prepare to evacuate.
Move! Get to the boats!
We don't have much time!
Hurry up, quickly!
Help us! It's collapsing!
Mayday! Mayday! We need immediate assistance!
Abandoned ship! Go, go, go!
Full speed ahead! We have to clear the rig! We're trapped! Help us!
We're losing them!
Pull harder! Get him in the boat! Whoa! We're trapped! Whoa! It's collapsing! Help!
Jump now!
The rig is collapsing! Help! Fire everywhere! Mayday! We're going down!
Help us! Somebody help us!
Hold on to the boat!
Hold on to the wreckage!
Somebody please help us! We can't last much longer. Rig collapse! 156 personnel! Hurricane conditions! This is worst case. Grab my hand! Everyone hold on! Help is coming!
Head count confirmed, 40.
Swimmers spotted, starboard side.
Hard right, secure the deck.
People are dying out there! We go!
Multiple survivors in water. Beginning rescue operations.
Coast Guard! I've got you! $147 more to find! Keep going! Don't look at your leg. Look at me! We're getting you out! He's losing blood fast! We need to move now! We've got room for more! Come aboard! Carefully! Help! I can't move! On 3, lift! We got him! Get the basket down! We're losing them to the cold! Damn it! Mark location! We'll recover later!
Still so many missing. Be careful out there.
We won't stop. We have the watch now. Did everyone make it? We're still looking. You're safe now. told myself I'd see my kids again. I kept telling myself.
Sector Charlie, position logged, preparing for transport.
Confirmed. Approach vector clear.
Sector Gamma, any visual confirmation on the debris field?
Negative. Continuing grid search. Over. He shouldn't be alive. But he is. We have a pulse! He's alive!
Recovery 1, move to the debris field. Initiating night search protocols now.
Confirmed, Command. Searchlight is active. Proceeding.
Move! Hypothermic patient, core temp dropping fast. Another one with near drowning. Bring him through here.
He's a hero. We have to save him.
You saved 20 people. You're a hero.
I just did what anyone would do.
We're almost finished here. You're very brave, and it looks like you'll make a full recovery. I'm alive. My wife has a husband. My kids have a father. The leg is a small price.
Please, God, let them make it.
Stay strong, we're right here.
He's gonna make it.
Jonathan Davis, Sarah Jenkins, Thomas Ryan, Emily Clark.
We failed them. We're sorry.
Wind speeds hit Category 4 an hour ago. Why were they still on the platform?
The evacuation log shows an
The evidence is overwhelming. You ignored weather warnings and delayed evacuation.
This gross negligence will result in the...
I ordered evacuation when I realized it was too late. I should have acted sooner. I live with that.
Every time I close my eyes, I see the waves.
We understand. But look at this circle. We found safety together. They said I might not walk. I walked!
Here are the finalized settlement documents. We hope this brings you closure.
Thank you. This means so much to the families.
This is why we serve.
Mandatory early evacuations and enhanced weather monitoring are now policy. Never again.
Reinforcement protocols are fully implemented and weak points secured.
The investment graph reflects the market's confidence in the safety overhaul. We are trending up.
We honor the memory of those lost and commit ourselves to ensuring such a tragedy is never repeated.
I can't undo what happened, but I can help prevent it happening again.
Jonathan Price, Sarah Jenkins, Thomas O'Malley. We will never forget their sacrifice.
These charts show a clear failure in oversight.
How many more lives must be lost before you act? We demand change now.
All right, bring it down slow.
Easy now.
Holding steady, watch that port side clearance. We won't forget. That's why we're here, to make sure it's done right. To the rig! We made it! Oh! All clear, gentlemen. Well done.
I show them my scars.
Then I show them how to avoid getting their own.
This is not a drill. Simulate faster response time, Delta formation.
Acknowledged. Engaging rotors. Stand by for takeoff.
Evacuation protocol active. All personnel proceed to muster stations.
Structural integrity is compromised when safety guidelines are ignored. The consequences, as seen here, are severe and immediate. Any questions about the emergency procedures?
No, sir. I understand completely.
Safe shift complete. Good work, everyone.
Everyone goes home. That's the only acceptable outcome.
Every quiet night is a victory. Morning checks are complete. We are clear to begin drilling operations. Safety first, team.
Weather looks good for the landing. Clear the deck now.
Roger. Flight is clear to approach pad 2.